Vhedia. Today we're installing the head unit into a VW Golf TSI. I think it's a 2012-2013 model. This is the VW VUB Universal Kit. So it will fit multiple different vehicles, which we'll upload onto the website later on. Showing you guys. So it's pretty simple. All you've got to do is just pop your fascia off here, the tools that come to your kits. So it's just up under the vents. It's easy. So you still slide it across. It may take a little bit of force. There we go. And once you've done that, just pull it off. Simple. And then you'll see just up in here, there's 4 torque screws on either side. So just undo those for us, and that's pretty much taking the head unit off. And that's done. So once you've done that, all you want to do is just give the unit a bit of a pull. Be careful because all the cords are going to come with it as well. And as you can see, in there is just that big plug there in the back, and then your aerial antenna plug. So what you want to do is just safely pull them out. So this one here will have this little tab on the back. I'll show you in one sec. We'll have this little lock tab, that bit right there. So all you want to do, it'll be done like that. All you want to do is just push that up. It may take a bit of force. And with the antenna plug, so with the antenna plug, you have this little clip bit there. What you want to do is push that up and pull that out, like so. And it also has this little adapter bit in the middle, which you can't really see that well. You have to also pull that out. For the antenna, you see this part here, this little bit there. So what you want to do is you want to push that down on that, so just like that, and that part will come straight out. All right guys, so once we've got all that sorted, what we'll go ahead now is just start putting everything in. So your 4J, your antenna rack's in there already, your aerial, plug that just in there as such. And again, you've got all your USBs, which you'll use to use that other one. So these can only go into the one spot like everything else. So just find out where that goes. Just down here, as such. And so not all of them will be used, obviously. So you can just either leave those wrapped up, or you can tuck them in just into your glove box, which I'll do. And then with that charger that we had earlier on, what I'll do is I'll just plug it into this one here as such. So I just plug those in together. And then, so what we'll start doing is just putting it back together. So carefully, just bring everything back up and just be sure to get them all nice and tucked in up at the back there. So what I'll do is I'm just going to feed it through nicely to make sure it's all tucked up. So these are kind of a bit of a pain to put back in. You may see that there's these little bits up, grooves up there, and then down the bottom as well, and all around the side, guys. So just fiddle around with it and just try to fit it in, and it should go in. If you're having issues getting these clips in, guys, don't worry too much. Just get them as much as you can, and when you start putting the screws back in, it will drag itself in. It's not doing any damage to the head unit. All the clips are fine, everything's all fine there. So just put your 4 screws back in and then put your fascia back on. And there we have it, guys. That is how the install is done on these Volkswagen Golfs. So as you can see, turn the radio on. So I haven't got that scanned yet, but serial controls. Oh, there you go, see that's searching. Volume up, volume down, volume up. There we go, guys. Thanks, enjoy.